Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with stockmarketmentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Datadog? This is ticker DDOG. Now, Datadog had a rough 2022 like a lot of other technology stocks, but in 2023, this stock firmed up, and now we see it here in 2024 above all the key moving averages. We see Datadog with a clear short base of consolidation, little dippity doo to the 50-day, nice recovery, and back near the highs. And that's what you want to see. If a stock is pulling back to the 50-day moving average, you want to see those buyers step in, and ideally, you want to see a quick recovery back to all the major moving averages. And that's what we saw here with Datadog. Now, today we see DDOG just kind of breaking out above this short base of resistance, but it did it on pretty good volume, higher than average volume here on the breakout. Now, I talked yesterday about looking for breakouts in stocks and really talking about that volume and how I use volume as a clear signal to trust the breakout. Now, of course, doesn't always work. No signal is perfect, but probabilistically, I find following that big volume has kept me on the right side of the trade more times than not. So I see a nice breakout here on Datadog on higher than average volume. And I think this is definitely a stock you want to keep an eye on. Now, it is a bit extended above the 8 and 21 day. That's the orange and blue line here. But if you have an opportunity, I'd watch for this stock to just kind of pull back into the moving average and give you a lower cost basis as opposed to, trying to buy this thing near the highs. So Datadog running into earnings coming up here in early February. I think it's a stock you definitely should have on your watch list. And that's just one of many we're watching over at stockmarketmentor.com. If you want to see what else we're doing, be sure and click that link, stockmarketmentor.com. Take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.